So you want to impress someone with a lovely heart-shaped bouquet? Stick around as I get you through each step to create your own memorable arrangement. First, I want to be transparent. This heart-shaped bouquet wasn't my original idea. I was inspired by photos of fresh flower bouquets made by Korean florists. I wondered if I could recreate them with old flowers. Although I didn't film the process initially, I thought you might find it helpful, so I decided to share it with you now. To make it work for you, I've used some editing magic to make it look like I'm building the bouquet from scratch. Anyway, let's dive in and discover how you can craft your very own heart-shaped bouquet, and I will cover the important details afterwards. This bouquet is different from what I usually make in a few ways. Typically, I ensure my bouquets don't really have a back and try to hide all the mechanics with leaves as much as possible. However, this bouquet is more for display, so I didn't focus on the back. If the back bothers you, you could add leaves or wrap the entire bouquet with fancy paper like the Koreans do. I won't go into details about the paper wrapping here, as that would be a whole other video. Since the bouquet is single-sided, it was built laying flat on the table instead of in my left hand like I normally do. I would say this bouquet building method is much easier than my usual spiral stems. I highly recommend it for those who want to try floral arranging but find it difficult to hold things in their hands for long, or for those who have hand or finger issues. I believe everyone deserves a chance to appreciate nature and have fun with flowers, and I believe this could be a great way to start. Because the heart shape is built in layers of individual components, I believe using smaller flowers makes shaping the bouquet easier. In mine, I used roses, spray roses, and 𝐚𝐿𝐴NTHUS. Some other flowers that could work well are ranunculus, tulips, mums, carnations, and cosmos. I would avoid flowers in large clusters like hydrangeas, alliums, or pink cushion proteas, as well as line flowers like delphiniums, colour lilies, or veronicas. And bulky flowers in general like dahlias, anthuriums, and gebaras, unless you want to create a giant heart for your special someone. When it comes to choosing flower colors, feel free to let your imagination run wild. However, selecting shades that don't contrast too sharply with each other can help the heart shape stand out more visually. Before you're finishing off by wrapping the stem with ribbon, be sure to adjust the flower heads as needed. Bend the stem slightly, just half an inch below the flower heads, so the flowers face the front side of the bouquet. If you're unsure about which ribbon color to choose, go for one that matches the color already in the bouquet to create a harmonious look. And there you have it. I hope you feel inspired to try making one yourself. Remember, floral arranging is all about creativity, so don't hesitate to experiment with different flowers and colors. I would love to see your creations, so feel free to share them with me on Instagram. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more DIY floral arrangements and wedding design tips. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, drop them in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. Once again, thanks for watching. I will see you in one of these videos that the YouTube algorithm thinks you would love right now. See ya!